Here's the thing, this course is different. We'll not cover basic list building techniques. What you will get is the entire advanced list building package. The basic way of building an email list with Facebook ads is reaching out to potential subscribers by using something called interest targeting. Now, I have nothing against interest targeting. It's a great way to get started building a list. But if you can, you should take the next step and deploy more advanced list building strategies. And that's what you'll discover in this training. It's not the basic stuff. What you're about to learn is more advanced, but also more efficient than the old school way of building a list. I'll show you how to use conversion tracking, lookalike audiences, and something called retargeting to grow your list faster, more effective, and cheaper. That's why this training is different. So let's get started with changing your business today.